Hey, well, here's something we haven't seen in 5 days. That is some rain, likely Monday morning. When I come back, we'll take a look at that and just how cold we'll be after this front. You see that line of rain right there? That's all ahead of a cold front we are going to see pushing in. This will probably be the coldest air we've seen so far in the season. Captiva to Bukilia, that will, again, as I mentioned, work its way off in a southeasterly motion. Behind it, that's the cold air we're going to see work its way into southwest Florida. So this off in the Gulf of Mexico that we are going to continue to watch for you, because look at the motion off in a southeasterly direction there. So that will take it onto land.
If you're anywhere else in the country right now, it's pretty chilly.
It is. I mean, you have family visiting from Ohio. I'm sure they're happy to be warm down here in southwest Florida.
That beautiful tree, so
pretty,
gorgeous.
and even some fake snow there tonight.
Yeah.
It wasn't fake, it was real snow
Right,
for
we can
this
pretend.
purpose. With temperatures in the 60s, sometimes you get some snow down in Naples.
Of course,
Yeah.
that's right. On this one day of the year, it's funny how they make that.
Take a look at these temperatures. These should actually be the low temperatures we see this time of the year, but these were the warmest temperatures some neighborhoods across southwest Florida reached today. So we did have a pretty active season. We've had 18 named storms this year, with one of them being Dorian, very devastating, and then the last storm that we saw was Sebastian. But it will give us a chance to see the cooler conditions once again for tomorrow morning. So as that clears out, high pressure building in with the sinking air, we do expect to see a lot more sunshine starting from Monday, even into Tuesday. All right, well, if you're making plans for the rest of this evening, we're going to see the sun set a little after 5:30, and then after that, temperatures cooling down into the mid-60s, then into the low 60s after 10 o'clock. But we do see less and less cloud coverage, so that's going to give us temperatures at and around 60 to 62 throughout southwest Florida. Now, we do have temperatures now in the mid-70s. What a difference from yesterday at around this time. Yesterday, we saw temperatures only in the 50s for some neighborhoods, so today we're looking at temperatures running up to 16 degrees warmer. So this is kind of the conditions we needed yesterday, but with the cloud coverage, that really did keep us a lot cooler. So take a look over the next few afternoons. We do see temperatures gradually back on the rise into the low 80s by Thursday, but we do see 76 by Wednesday. That's because we are expecting to see a weak front pushing through late this evening going into your early Tuesday morning. So that could give us the chance to see an isolated shower or two early for tomorrow. But right now, not a lot of cloud coverage, especially again compared to yesterday. We do have a little bit more breaks in the clouds, a lot more sunshine, giving us temperatures in the 70s, feeling a lot more comfortable. So there's a look downtown Fort Myers, the breaks in the clouds there, a lot of high level clouds as well. So when you wake up tomorrow morning, again, an isolated shower or two in the forecast, temperatures mainly into the 60s, sunrise 6:49 a.m., isolated shower or two can't be rolled out. So there's the front as it works its way off towards the south. Again, it's not going to be a very strong front. It's just going to kind of reinforce some of that cool air, giving us a nice cool start once again for Wednesday morning. But here's what we're expecting for tomorrow, late half of the day, mostly sunny conditions, pretty mild with temperatures into the mid-70s. So here's a closer look tomorrow morning. A few stray showers, as I mentioned, coming in from the Gulf of Mexico with the onshore wind. And then late second half of the day, we do clear out very nicely, and we do stay dry all the way throughout Wednesday, even Thursday, Friday. Nothing really expected to be working its way in up until the weekend. But let's take a look into the tropics. We do have this one area with a medium percent chance of further developing over the next 5 days. But what's going to happen is the fronts that we do have well off the eastern coast of the United States, it's going to keep this guy out to sea. So not an issue for us. But of course, we still have about 12 days left of this hurricane season. There's a look at tomorrow. A little bit more sunshine expected. Northwest wind up to 15 miles per hour. So we could see a little bit of a breeze at times for some neighborhoods. But overall, it's going to be a gorgeous day. Very comfortable conditions, even all the way throughout Wednesday, looking good. We do work our way back into the 80s, so some good beach weather working its way into southwest Florida going into Saturday. Sunday, we do have another front coming in, so that's going to give us some early showers, but after that moves through looking quiet all the way through Thanksgiving.